Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add password to your Google Wallet. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, open up your Google Wallet. Let me just search up for the Google Wallet. If you don't have a Google Wallet, make sure to have it. Otherwise, I'm gonna just show you how to do that on my cards. These are also the mini version of the Google Wallet. And if you want to add password to your Google Wallet, you don't have to go on the Google Wallet specifically. You just have to go in the settings and in the fingerprint face data. On many of your Androids, you will get the option of app lock right here. Simply tap on app lock, and from there you can simply select Google Wallet, and that is how you can simply add password to your Google Wallet easily. Like, you have to go to your Google Wallet and you can easily add password. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.